everyone. We're at the Merchant of Venus today in Magic Kingdom. It is crowded, but let's go inside because at least it's cool in here. In here, there's Anti-Gravities, which is the ice cream place. And you got the Merchant. It's a much smaller shop. Got a lot of Toy Story 4 stuff.
Remember, we have a Disney store.
Alright, Disney, don't ruin anything. I haven't seen this yet. Lots of Toy Story stuff right now. And lots of people. Oh, we need a Barbie. And this is in Tomorrowland, right in Magic Kingdom. Got some fun Stitch stuff. Again, very crowded today. All the plushes over here. Oh, cool. Little Disney Monopoly set, which is $45. Incredible stuff. You don't see a lot of Incredibles. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Got still some Finding Dory stuff. Moana. Who doesn't like Tomatoa? In Zootopia, you've got a lot of just like figurines and stuff here, including Nightmare Before Christmas. All the little figurine sets, $18 each. When you buy two, they give you a discount. Smaller shop, not a ton of theming. A lot of times you look at the ceilings because there's always stuff on the ceilings. Not much around here except for track lighting. So. Again, small shop. Nice place to jump into though, especially with the air conditioning. So thank you very much. As always, please like and subscribe. It helps us out. And have a magical day.